Hello and welcome to this quick video on an important feature in JIRA, the issue screen and summary field. The summary field is a brief description of the issue you are tracking in JIRA. It should be short and to the point, but still provide enough detail for others to understand what the issue is about. Let's say you're using JIRA to track vacation requests. In the summary field, you might enter something like Jane Smith vacation request, May 20th till 27. This tells everyone who looks at the issue what it's about and who is it for. Now, when you create or edit an issue in JIRA, you see the summary field right at the top. Make sure you take the time to write a clear and concise summary that accurately reflects the issue you are tracking. And that's it. With the summary field in JIRA, you can keep track of all your issues, including vacation requests, and make sure everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel @Tech with Just Jingle Tingle.